When it comes to SUVs, flashy features are great, but reliability is what really counts. In this video, we're revealing the top 5 SUVs that are built like tanks, trusted by owners, and made to last for the long haul. Let's get started. Number 5. Mazda CX-5. The Mazda CX-5 stands out as one of the most reliable and well-rounded compact SUVs you can buy in America today, blending sleek styling, sporty performance, and long-term durability in a package that punches well above its weight under the hood. It offers a standard 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine delivering 187 horsepower, or an available turbocharged 2.5-liter that bumps it up to 256 horsepower with premium fuel, giving you the option for either fuel efficiency or thrilling power depending on your needs. Paired with a responsive 6-speed automatic transmission and Mazda's signature G-Vectoring Control Plus, the CX-5 delivers confident handling, smooth cornering, and one of the most engaging drives in its class, whether you're navigating city streets or heading out on a weekend road trip. With available iActive AWD, it also handles slippery roads and light off-roading with ease. Inside, the CX-5 feels upscale, featuring high-quality materials, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, available Nappa leather seats, and a clean, minimalist design that rivals luxury competitors. The 10.25-inch infotainment display is crisp and controlled via a rotary dial, with standard Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, plus available features like a premium Bose 10-speaker sound system, dual-zone climate control, heated and ventilated front seats, a power liftgate, and a 360-degree camera system. The cabin is quiet and comfortable, with supportive seating for 5 and up to 59.3 cubic feet of cargo space, with the rear seats folded. When it comes to safety, the CX-5 includes Mazda's iActive Sense suite as standard, offering adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and more. Backed by Mazda's strong reliability reputation, many CX-5 owners report driving well past 150,000 miles with minimal issues, thanks to its solid build quality, proven powertrain, and attention to detail. Overall, the Mazda CX-5 is the perfect choice for Americans seeking a dependable compact SUV that delivers performance, comfort, and features that feel premium, without the luxury price tag. Number 4. Subaru Forester. The 2025 Subaru Forester is one of the most trusted compact SUVs in America, known for its unbeatable reliability, rugged all-wheel drive performance, and go-anywhere versatility that makes it a favorite among drivers who face diverse weather and terrain. Every Forester comes standard with Subaru's legendary symmetrical all-wheel drive system, offering exceptional grip and stability whether you're commuting through rain, navigating snow-covered roads, or exploring off-the-beaten-path trails. With a 2.5-liter boxer four-cylinder engine delivering 182 horsepower, and paired to a Lineartronic CVT, the Forester provides a smooth and fuel-efficient ride, averaging up to 33 mpg on the highway while maintaining enough torque to handle weekend adventures. The X-Mode system, with hill descent control, adds confidence in low-traction situations, while 8.7 inches of ground clearance gives it a real edge over rivals in off-road capability. Inside, the Forester offers a spacious and practical cabin with room for 5 adults, up to 74.2 cubic feet of cargo space, and a wide rear opening that makes loading gear easy. Tech features include a standard 7-inch or available 11.6-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, available Harman Kardon premium audio system, Wi-Fi hotspot, and dual-zone climate control. The visibility from the driver's seat is exceptional, thanks to large windows and a thoughtfully designed layout. The interior is built with durable, soft-touch materials, and higher trims like the Touring offer luxury touches such as leather upholstery, heated and ventilated front seats, a heated steering wheel, and a power panoramic moonroof. For safety, the Forester includes the latest version of Subaru's EyeSight driver assist technology as standard, with features like adaptive cruise control, lane centering, pre-collision braking, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. Owners love the Forester's long-term dependability, with many reporting 200,000 plus miles on the odometer with minimal maintenance, thanks to Subaru's solid engineering and focus on quality. If you're looking for a compact SUV that handles all weather, hauls your gear, and lasts for the long haul, the Subaru Forester is a smart and proven choice for American families and outdoor enthusiasts alike. Number 3. Toyota 4Runner. The 2025 Toyota 4Runner continues its legacy as one of the most rugged, dependable, and adventure-ready mid-size SUVs in America, with a loyal fan base that trusts it for everything from daily commutes to extreme off-road escapades. Powered by a tried-and-true 4.0-liter V6 engine delivering 270 horsepower and 278 lb-ft of torque, paired with a 5-speed automatic transmission and Toyota's legendary body-on-frame construction, the 4Runner is built to take a beating and keep going. Whether you're crawling over rocks, pushing through muddy trails, or navigating snow-packed backroads, with available part-time or full-time 4WD systems, a locking rear differential, multi-terrain select, crawl control, and up to 9.6 inches of ground clearance, the 4Runner TRD Off-Road and TRD Pro trims are built for serious outdoor enthusiasts. Yet even if you never leave the pavement, the 4Runner delivers a solid and confident ride, with seating for 5 to 7 passengers, depending on configuration, a cavernous cargo area that expands to nearly 90 cubic feet, and an interior designed for both durability and comfort. Higher trims offer premium features like Softex or leather-trimmed seats, an 8-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Amazon Alexa, an available JBL premium audio system, power moonroof, dual-zone climate control, and advanced driver aids like blind spot monitor and parking assist. Every 2025 model includes Toyota Safety Sense P, which adds adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert, and pre-collision braking with pedestrian detection. When it comes to long-term reliability, the 4Runner is built like a tank, with countless owners hitting well over 250,000 miles with basic maintenance, thanks to Toyota's robust engineering and focus on durability. Whether you're taking the family on a road trip, towing up to 5,000 pounds, or heading deep into the wild, the 2025 Toyota 4Runner is an old-school SUV with modern tech and unmatched toughness that's designed to last for decades. Number 2. Honda CR-V. The 2025 Honda CR-V continues to be one of America's most trusted compact SUVs, delivering the perfect mix of everyday comfort, long-term reliability, and modern tech. Powered by a fuel-efficient 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine producing 190 horsepower, and paired with a CVT transmission for smooth acceleration and excellent gas mileage, up to 34 miles per gallon on the highway, the CR-V is ideal for everything from daily commutes to family road trips, offering available all-wheel drive for added confidence in rain or snow. A spacious and refined interior with seating for 5, over 76 cubic feet of cargo space with the rear seats folded, and a cabin outfitted with high-quality materials and soft-touch surfaces. Tech lovers will appreciate the 7-inch or available 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, wireless smartphone charging, and a premium 12-speaker Bose sound system on higher trims, while the standard Honda Sensing Suite includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking, and traffic sign recognition, helping the CR-V earn top marks in safety. Plus, with an available hybrid variant offering up to 204 horsepower and over 40 miles per gallon combined, the CR-V lineup gives drivers plenty of efficient choices. Known for its low maintenance costs and ability to go 200,000 miles or more with basic upkeep, the CR-V has a legendary reputation for durability and owner satisfaction, making it a rock-solid investment for families, commuters, or anyone who wants an SUV that's comfortable, safe, and built to last well into the future. Number 1. Toyota Land Cruiser. The 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser continues its legacy as one of the most reliable, rugged, and durable SUVs ever built, trusted by adventurers, families, and off-road enthusiasts alike. Equipped with a powerful 5.7-liter V8 engine generating 381 horsepower and 401 lb-ft of torque, paired with an advanced full-time 4WD system and Toyota's multi-terrain select and crawl control, the Land Cruiser effortlessly handles the toughest terrains, from rocky mountain trails to desert dunes to snowy roads. Engineered to last for hundreds of thousands of miles, with many owners reporting their Land Cruisers lasting over 300,000 miles with minimal maintenance. The Land Cruiser's body-on-frame construction ensures it's as tough as they come, made with high-quality, durable components that are built to endure extreme conditions, and with easily replaceable parts to keep repair costs low. Inside, the Land Cruiser blends luxury and utility with premium leather upholstery, heated and ventilated seats, and a spacious cabin that can comfortably fit up to 8 passengers, offering ample cargo space for all your gear. The modern 9-inch infotainment system with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a JBL sound system ensures you stay connected and entertained. Toyota Safety Sense Suite, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert, pre-collision system, and automatic high beams, is standard on all models, providing extra peace of mind for both off-road and city driving. If you're looking for an SUV that combines bulletproof reliability, off-road capability, and a touch of luxury, the 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser is the ultimate choice for those who demand the best. And with this, we have reached the end of this video. If you found it helpful, then make sure to like it and subscribe the channel for future upcoming videos. And to see 7 new Japanese SUVs, then click on the left video. And to see 5 cheap SUVs that never break down, then click on the right video.